What's going on, guys? So we have a little unboxing video today. We have it right there. I wanted to buy a Truggy, something nice, stable, wide, good looking, and powerful. Of course, I hit on my boy Nitro Pimp, and I asked him, "Hey, I'm looking to buy a Truggy. Which one do you recommend?" He didn't think about it. Like, the answer was so fast. It's like he knew that I was going to ask that question. This is crazy. But I'm not going to just tell you, I'm going to show you guys, because this is very special, at least to me. It looks absolutely amazing. It's like a masterpiece. It looks great. It has a beautiful, powerful engine. And it's a really good brand that's been around for decades. If you guys know about Nitro RC cars and have some experience, you guys already should know what it is. There's two brands, but you guys are gonna see. Alright, without more delays, let's get to. Let's start opening. I'm very excited, guys. Before that, I have to say, guys, I said before that I wasn't gonna buy no more RC cars, well, brand new RC cars, for at least 2 years, because I have plenty, and I said, you know what, I gotta stop. And of course, it's August 26, 2026. I couldn't hold it anymore. I just bought it. That's something all of us, it happens to all of us. Guys, there is no better feeling than when we get our beautiful toys, Nitro RCs, and it's time to open them. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty, guys. Hyper, let's go. Hobao Hyper. Yeah, buddy. Of course. Let's get to it, guys. Let's get to it. I'll throw this to the side. Turbo Platinum, let's go. Instruction manual. I'll show you a little closer, guys. Got an instruction manual that I never read the manuals. And the glow plug is not inside of the engine, it's on the side. We'll figure it out. I actually learned hands-on. I can't be reading stuff like that. looks kind of funny, guys. Let me see. Hold on. You guys can see it. I don't know. It looks like a remote from like a Walmart RC or something like that. And it feels very light. But I've been told that it's actually really good and it works perfect and it serves the purpose. So that's all I care about. Of course, I will be swapping it. You know what? I'm wondering if this thing brings batteries by any chance. Probably not, but hey. Well, I don't even know how to open this thing. You guys can see it there. It's definitely different. Let's go. The spoiler. We got the spoiler with the air filter. Look at this beauty, guys. Oh, this thing is awesome. I love this stance on it. It's super wide. The tires look great. 17 mil. Look at this beauty, guys. Ooh, this thing looks awesome. Absolutely awesome. All right, of course, you know we gotta do this. So let's remove this body from this thing. Let me show you guys real quick. These shocks, I hope you guys can see it. They look incredible, really nice shocks. It has a sway bar in the front and the rear sway bars. Has a very nice tank and a beautiful engine, guys. Let me see if you guys can see that from here. Oh yeah, you guys can see it. Yeah, this thing looks nice and sexy. Hobao. Now look at these flaps, guys. I'm gonna show you guys something. Look at these flaps right here. I don't know what this is for. That I've never seen that. I have no clue. It has two flaps. I'm gonna show you guys better in a second. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it. Look at the flap right here, guys. Beautiful truck. Time to show you guys better. Let me get this phone out of the tripod. Boom. There we go. I'll turn this on just in case. I have my phone on the tripod. These shocks, guys, really nice shocks. It's got the sway bar. It's got the metal shock towers. It has a very nice tank. It looks nice and big. And if you guys are wondering why I'm mentioning the tank being big, is because when you have a big block engine like this one, this is .30, if I'm not mistaken. This is a .30 Hyper engine, so it's big displacement. And if it has a small tank, you have to add fuel every 5 minutes. So that's why I love the tank. Nice and big. Look at that nice aluminum pipe. I think it's beautiful, guys. This pull start. Oh, I just noticed something, guys. Oh, what happened? Oh, no battery. I have to hurry up, guys. But all the videos I've seen, the pull start is like a green pull start, and it has like a handle thing that you put on it. And I hear everybody complaining about it. And this one is different. I am really happy now to see this. I'm even more happy. Well, look at our stands, guys. Ooh, let's go. Let me put this body on here real quick. Fresh. Look at that, guys. Sick. It's nice and low and wide. I'm gonna be taking more pictures and videos. And it's super hot over here, guys. Let me put this back over here. Hold on. Super hot where I'm at. There we go. All right, guys. So, hoping this works. My GoPro, I dropped it and I broke the lens, and I also broke the screen on it. So now I gotta wait to get a new GoPro, but on the meantime, I'm just using my phone with the tripod and my tablet. That's why I was looking to the side, so I know what I'm doing. Guys, also I want to let you guys know I am very happy. We unlocked on YouTube, thanks to you guys, we unlocked the super chats, the super tanks, and gift, and a bunch of stuff. So we are going in the right direction, guys, and I appreciate you guys. There's no pressure or none of that stuff. I'm just mentioning it, and I'm very thankful for that, guys. And a share, a subscribe, comment, all that helps. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. It's your boy Sniper. Burn some nitro.